In this video, I'll give you a few tricks on how to fix if you have blurry vision while using your Quest 3. This could happen because of many different reasons, and I'll give you many different solutions that can help you. So let's start with the easiest one. There's a few ways that you can adjust the Quest 3 before you even start gaming, so what you see there is sharp. The first thing is the PD. You see the small scroll wheel on the bottom? It's on the left side over here. Well, when the Quest 3 is on your face and it's turned on, if you start playing with this small wheel over here, you'll be able to change your pupillary distance. This is the distance between each of your pupils. Sorry if I don't pronounce this correctly. This is something that if you go to see your optician, they will be able to measure very precisely the distance between both of them. And this way you'll be able to set the exact precise number inside of your Quest 3. If you don't want to go to an optician, you can also measure this at home. You just have to search on Google how to find my pupillary distance, and you'll be able to print a ruler and try to find yours. So once you check that, another thing that you need to make sure is that these straps are staying on your head firmly. I suggest that you try the Quest 3 on your face without any straps and try to find the perfect spot. If by doing this you find out that your vision is not blurry anymore, then the problem was coming from the straps. So go ahead and put the Quest 3 on your head, adjust these two straps first. So by pulling them apart like this, you're actually making the whole thing more snug, and then finish by adjusting the top strap. I also suggest you move your head, and if you're not able, even after doing this, to have a perfect fit, what I can recommend you is maybe to get another strap. Here I have the MetaQuest Elite strap. This one stays on your head much better because you see on the back of your head here there's more contact, and in general everything is more stable. This could be a bit expensive, I'll put a link in the description, but there's many other brands that do the same exact thing for a lot less. So check the other straps if you really find that you're not able to adjust this to make the Quest 3 stay perfectly on your face. Now, another reason why you may get blurry vision is that there's condensation forming on the lenses. This happens when your face is sweating and the unit is cold. So there's condensation forming right on the surface. And sometimes it's not even on the whole lens, it's just a bit on the top or bottom. And this can make your vision blurry. So how can you solve this? Well, what I suggest you is to run a hairdryer just a few seconds on the headset before playing on the lenses. So don't do it close because we don't want to damage those lenses. Just do it a few passes here, maybe 5, okay? This way the headset, the lenses will be warm, and since your face will get warm and sweaty, both will be at the same temperature and you won't have any sorts of condensation on the lenses. You may also have blurry vision because you're wearing glasses like I do. And the Quest 3 does not have any glass spacer, but what you can do is you see on the side over here you have a button with 4 different adjustments, both sides. And if you press those and you pull this part of the mask or push, you'll be able to create some space between the lens and your eyes. In my case, I like to keep it at the farthest possible, and this is the most comfortable way I'm able to play with my eyeglasses on. You can also get some prescription lenses for your Quest 3. I myself didn't do it, but on the Quest 2, this is how they look like. These are custom made with your eye prescription, and you can just clip it on, and this way you won't be able to use your eyeglasses. You can set them aside and it's usually more comfortable. Although on the Quest 3 I didn't had much problems using my eyeglasses. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Another reason why this could get blurry is that you have some marks on the lenses. Could be sweat, could be also smudges from your nose or other parts of your face touching the lenses. I know that if I'm playing sports game, well, I'll get some sweat over here right on the top, and this can make everything look pretty bad. So what you need to do is to take a microfiber, a clean one, and you simply need to wipe from the middle, and you go all around the lens like this. Now, I'm not a specialist. I don't know if you can use certain products on the lens, and I don't want to misinform you. Usually what I do personally is I put just a small drop of water on the microfiber, very small, not much at all, and then I do what I just showed you. And it works every time, and this is a way that I keep my lens clear from any smudges. So these are a few solutions on how to fix your blurry vision on your Meta Quest 3. If I forgot some of them, and if you have another solution that I didn't talk, please write in the comment down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to find this out. So thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.